Jamala con Jamala Delta language. Hello, the people of peace that are watching. Ngish con kao Deriet Chongedi. We are talking about how the words can be in order. And we beg all of us to subscribe here for you will be able to get the new updates. So that all of us can get the notifications at any time we have posted a new video. And it is good for us to reach people wherever they are. I hope we are ready to start. Two means ka. Two lodaneka. For example, Sitkawana. Tomorrow I'm going to Africa. Runwaka Africa. Means wikador ki poinkador. Lodana wikador ki poinkador. For example, Sitkawana. I'm on my bed. Tawikola. My brush is on the wall. Tuesday Japoin duel. Hall. Kandial. And Kanakika. 4. Kakui. Of. Ka. With. Kanakika. But. Dundeo. We shall continue next time. There will be a lot of important words. Thanks for watching.